Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, yes, sir. Just please come in.
Excuse me.
Please, 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 please. Please, please.
So,
You
say
ask to
something.
please.
Say
ACP,
something.
DCP and joint speaker.
सर पण आता इथे काय केलं VIP एंटरप्राइजेस मध्ये तुम्ही आता सकाळी जवळजवळ 3.5 तास आहात इथे त्याचं कारण काय सर प्लीज सर प्लीज
You please ask to our senior officers, ACP, DCP and joint CP. They will give you some
सर
information.
काय इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन कसं होतं
No, please, they will give you some information.
इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन होतं काहीतरी सांगा ना सर प्लीज सर
No.
सर प्लीज गिव्ह मला ना सर प्लीज मंगल प्लीज सर
They are sitting there. They will give you all information.
काहीतरी इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन एवढं 3.5 तास सर काहीतरी सर एवढं तास आम्ही थांबलोय सर त्याचं काहीतरी प्लीज काहीतरी एवढं तास इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन
We have just taken the search of the premises. That's
काय पण त्याच्यामध्ये काय मिस्टेक नाही आलं
अरे याला मोनला गेला बसू तर मोनला
सर एवढं
घ्या ना माझं
गाडी
प्लीज
इंग्लिश मध्ये काय सांगतो मराठीमध्ये सांग येऊ द्या बरं निघेल आता गाडी बस येऊ द्या
सर एक मिनट भाई वाला लेना
वो बोलता है ओनली स्पीक
पहले बीमार आदमी हमारा चलो बस ठंडा धूप में
in Mumbai is far more than in Delhi. Yes. Performance in enforcement 2000. Number of cases that the traffic branch registered was more than 19 lakhs. Vehicles towed 2,64,000. Action against parking 6,23,000. And penalties recovered is 8.5 crores rupees. The traffic branch, these are the things that we plan to do for improving the traffic management. Of course, we all want the traffic to flow smoother, less accidents, but for that, what are we doing?
You could ask a few questions if you feel like, then we will discuss for tea. No.
Now please
But we will ask
the question one by one. And if you exercise a little restraint, I will be able to answer all the questions better. Haji, बोलिए. No, please, quiet, please. Here. Why don't you take a mic? You know, mic here.
Somebody to go the behind, you know.
You
Why-
know,
why is
I
that?
will tell you, Salman Khan was not an accused.
No, at that person.
He was brought for a certain clarification, and that photograph, the way it appeared in the press, needlessly created an impression that we were harassing the film stars and treating them like ordinary criminals under arrest. So it created some resentment.
No, actually what happens, your people are crowd surrounded by, you know, that's the reason it gives you impression as if it's been taken in a, you just leave the person and we'll take care of it. Yeah.
If I leave that person, you might lynch him.
No, we won't.
Yes. Okay. The Bharat Shah is being questioned. I think he was yesterday. There could not be any questioning because he was taken to hospital. Today morning also he was taken to hospital for examination. And the process of questioning will begin. Some searches, etc., have already been going on, and the investigation procedure is going on. IG?
We have searched his place of residence and some of the offices. We have searched for evidence. We have not raided, we have searched. That we can't tell you now. When the investigation is going on, what evidence has been collected has to be collected by us. We will be letting you know at the appropriate time. We will keep you posted. We don't know. As the case gets more investigated, more scientifically, as and when the evidence is there, we will arrest. We may or may not arrest. We can't say who we are going to arrest. It depends upon the evidence gathering process by us.
Which offices have you raided?
I can't tell you all these offices. Wherever his office is there, we have searched, not raided.
I beg your pardon? No, I would like to answer this question. I think it is very necessary. Just a minute, please. There is a question and there is a need to answer this question. I would like to set at rest all speculations about this matter, here and now. There has been a lot of media hype that so-and-so is going to be, some film star is going to be called today at crime branch. So-and-so film star is also going to be questioned, called, arrested. Midnight knocks by crime branch at the houses of 10 film personalities and producers and all that. Let me make a very categorical statement that we are not investigating any film star. And therefore the question of calling or interrogating any film star, in this case, including Preeti Zinta, Rani Mukherjee, Salman Khan, just does not arise. Please understand that Rani Mukherjee and Preeti Zinta or Salman Khan, they have acted in this film for a remuneration. They are not involved in the process of making of the film making or film production. They are just artists who have acted for a certain fee, and that's all. So, to call them and to question them like you feel an accused should be questioned is just a wrong impression. We are not going to call any film star for questioning as far as this film is concerned. Maybe if we need to elicit some information, we might contact them. But as of now, there is no plan of calling any film star whatsoever, not only these 2-3 film stars. We are not investigating any film star. Please understand this. We are investigating those people who have nexus with the underworld. Our action is against the underworld and not against the film stars. You would kindly appreciate that this kind of a media hype, daily reporting about some film star being called, likely to be called, would be called, may be called, is creating a lot of panic in the film industry. And it is not my intention to cause any panic in the film industry. In fact, I would like everybody to understand that we are helping the film industry through our investigations against the underworld. You may kindly remember that there have been in the past lots of attacks on the film personalities. As you know, in January last year, there was a murderous attack on Rakesh Roshan. You just now heard Mr. Shivanandan telling you that there were going to be murderous attacks on 2 prominent film producers. Police intervened in time and saved their lives by knocking down those gangsters. There have been many other instances of attacks on film personalities in the past also. I don't have to mention those names, they are well known to all of you. So the film industry has been facing a problem of the underworld. And it is our effort and endeavor to free the film industry from the clutches of the underworld and create safe conditions under which the film industry will grow. We do not want to harm the film industry or the film personalities. In fact, we are helping the film industry by taking strong action against the underworld. So, kindly put the things in proper perspective and let not any misunderstanding be created whereby our very actions may be called in question. Sometimes we hear people saying that we are tarnishing the image of the film industry. It pains us a lot to be accused of such things when you all know that my officers are taking a great personal risk in launching a drive against the underworld. I can leave the whole film industry to its own fate and say you look after yourself. You can realize what will be the situation tomorrow if I did that. We are doing it as a part of our duty to the society, as a part of our duty to the country. I am not interested in chasing anybody, much less the film industry and the film artists. I am chasing the underworld, and I will continue to chase that underworld. I do not know who might come in the firing line in this process. It is better that the people understand that keeping contact or nexus with the underworld is inviting trouble for himself or herself. I am only trying to send a message that anyone who might have thought that friendship with the underworld may be beneficial, the situation has changed. It is not beneficial, it is risky. My officers in Mumbai police are doing a brave job. They have intervened between the film personalities and the underworld, taken that risk upon themselves to save the life of film producers and film stars. It is not a mean job. If people cannot appreciate this, at least they should not criticize us. But what is happening is, because of the media hype, because of tremendous focus on this, people misunderstand the police and the police intentions. I therefore thought it appropriate to state it very categorically and put at rest all the speculations and all the doubts here and now and finally, that we, the Mumbai police, are not investigating any film star. And therefore, the question of calling Preeti Zinta or Rani Mukherjee or Salman Khan for any type of questioning just does not arise. It's totally wrong speculation.
Sir,
We are investigating, just a minute. We are investigating those people against whom we have solid evidence to show their close nexus with the underworld. Now it is in the interest of the film industry, it is in the interest of Mumbai city, it is in the interest of the country to pursue that investigation vigorously. And in this very difficult task, I appeal to everybody concerned to help us, including the media, because kindly, I know your anxiety, I know your curiosity. I know the film world is such that people get tremendously interested. But still, try not to create a panic in the film industry. Today I find that there is a panic. Your own newspapers have reported there is a panic. Tinsel World in Tizzy, some newspapers. I don't know whatever it might mean, but it looked like that there is spinning. Now this is creating a panic. Now some newspaper said there were midnight knocks at some 10 film producers and actors and all that. There was no such knock. Some paper said they are being called to the crime branch today. I asked Shivanandan, are you going to call? He said no. I don't know where from this news is coming. So please state it very carefully and help us. Yes.
sir.